Today we got a video from Midwest Safety, and the title of the video is Cops Get Outnumbered During Shooting Chaos. All right, let's get into it, man.
In Peoria, Illinois, this man just got shot over an argument as he collapses next to a car while suffering from massive arterial bleeding. A massive crowd begins forming around him. As police arrive to render aid, they'll have to deal with a lot more than just a gunshot wound.
Man, he just dropped.
Watch out, move! Get out of the way! Get out of the way! Stop! Get out of the way! Move! Get out of the way! Get out of the way now! Get back! Get back! Get back! Get back! Get back! It's my cousin! Get back! Get back! Get back!
Oh, he rocked him? Oh, nah, he rocked him. That's why they blurred it. It said use of force. Hold on. The cop rocked him? You can see his mouth bleed. Oh, nah, hold up. Don't push me. Popped him. Oh, got him together. Hold up. Hold up. Damn, this shit looking like the Bronx Zoo. Hold up. What is going on here? Oh, nah, hold on. They got the baton out?
Get back! I don't care. Get back!
Hey! Back up. I'm his mom. Okay, back up. Back up!
What's up? Get up there. Get the people away from me! Everybody get back! Get back! Get back now! Get back! Get back!
I cannot believe what I'm seeing. This makes no sense. How are the officers supposed to help the man that's down if everybody is crowding over? No, it's not like somebody said, hey, I'm a nurse. I know how to do that. Or, hey, I'm a doctor. I could do that. Somebody that's helpful. It's just everybody just crowding, just the crowd. Like, what? This man, yo. Animals at the Bronx Zoo act better than this. Hell nah, man. This is crazy. This don't even make no sense. The officers can't even help him because they got to deal with the crowd, and he's he about to be knocking on them gates. Knock, knock. It's over.
One, we have about 50 people crowding us, and we cannot get him help. Send more cars.
They're trying to save him. Get back. It doesn't help with you on the officer. Stay back.
I can't back the up. Let's go, my Get down.
Unbelievable. What?
Hands back. Go help him. Please stop him. Stop him, man. Stop him. Stop him. Put your hands behind your back. Okay, bro, okay. Idiot. All right, I'm gonna roll you on your side. You're gonna get your knees to your chest, okay? Knees to your chest. Get your knees to your chest. Get up. I can't. I don't feel my legs. All right, get him up. I can't feel my legs. All right. Stupid roll over. I didn't do nothing. You hit me in the face. No, I didn't, bro. Damn, bro, my fault. I swear. Bro, my fault. I told you back the up, no, my fault. I didn't drag him out.
Oh, they got the wood batons. See, that's the ones I used to carry. Nowadays, you see officers, they have the extendable ones. They collapse and then they extend. But the old school wood one, that's what we carry in the prison. That's a fact. Get you together, boy. Crowd control. You grab it like this. Crowd control, man. You know, let's just say this is the baton, and because you know, if a big fight is breaking out and stuff, it makes a crowd too, you know. So then you got to get all the officers, especially in the summertime, in the yard and everything. You get all the officers together and they surround and they boom, moving back with the baton. Yo. And then that's crazy because inside the prison, it's like being inside of a cage, man. It ain't nowhere to go, boy.
Everyone else.
Back up! Hey!
Oh my God! What?
Go for her.
Ooh! I heard the crunch.
Get the f*** off. Get the f*** off.
Ooh! You can hear it rocking her, boy.
Give me your hand.
Yup, just like that.
Bro, why would you hit me like that?
You had my officer.
No, she had me. What the f are you talking about? Did you see her hit me? Back the f up. Bro, stop dragging me. What the f is wrong?
Get the f up. I can't feel my legs.
I can't feel my leg.
I can't feel my legs. You walk this whole way. Get up. I can't feel my legs. I've been drinking. I can't feel my legs. I've been drinking. You just walked here.
I don't know how the f I got here.
Hey, you just walked over here. All right, get him in. We need to secure that. I know, get him in.
I can't feel my leg in the car.
Get in the car. Get in the car now. All right. You're going to get tased. Get outside. You get in the car. Get in now. Get in now.
Oh, now you feeling leg, huh? Oh, okay.
Oh, look, your legs work now. Look up for That's fine. We'll fix them later. I got you, though, bro. I didn't mean that. Excuse me, bro. I didn't mean that. Put your foot in. Motherfucker hit me and tried to run.
Yeah, he did rock him.
Stop touching me, bro. Stop touching me, bro. Get your hands.
Wow!
You're your change. You won't stop. We're not dealing with this right now. Stand up. We can't help him when you're in our face. You got it killed, bro. Homie just got shot, bro. You're not helping him at all. Get in the car. Stay down, buddy. Stay down, boss. Stay down, boss. Let's breathe. Let's breathe for me. Let's get some crime scene tape up. Back up now! Back up!
If you're in this crime scene tape, you're going to jail. Go!
No! Get out of the crime scene now! It's a crime scene! You, back up! Back up now! Back up! You want to get the out of here! Take him out of here! Take him out of here! Go ahead! Up on the curb now! Back up! This is a crime scene, okay? Back the up! Get up on the sidewalk now! You gotta back up. This is a crime scene, okay? It's a back up on the sidewalk now! Now! Back up! Back up! Back up! I'm telling you to listen, okay? We can't help him with you guys breathing down our necks! This is your first warning! You're gonna be pepper-balled if you do not disperse! You do not get your car now! No, it is a crime scene! Go!
what's wrong with this idiot? What's wrong with this idiot? Talk about this is my car. You're like, they got bigger things worrying about. You think you're gonna grab your car and just drive off? Like, come on, man.
Oh, you will be pepperballed. You will be pepperballed.
Oh yeah.
You will
Oh
be pepperballed.
yeah.
Get on the other side. No, you cannot come through here. You will be pepperballed.
I have to walk that
Walk.
way. My car's that way.
Walk.
Hear me?
No, I don't give a f. Someone got shot. Walk. Keep going. You will be pepperballed.
LT, victim went to OSF.
Yes.
Unfortunately, I went to go assist him, and 2 girls jumped on me, so I did not
That's
get
what
to.
I heard. Are you okay?
Yeah. I mean, I got hit in the face a couple times, and I can't open my hand all the way.
Oh, no.
It'll be fine.
Okay, I hope so. Okay, so you didn't witness his takedown?
I did not. No, I was on the ground, getting choked and hit in the face. So no, I don't have any information for you. I don't know.
All right. Knocked down or something?
Yeah.
Yeah, you're tough. You're back up.
Oh God. I
Lot
can't
of
tell you how many times
paperwork
I've been hit in
tonight.
the face in this job. She got me pretty good in the face a few times.
Did you get arrested? You get away?
Yeah,
Good.
yeah.
I took your guy down.
Yeah, he had me around the neck when I was
Whose is
trying
this?
to. That's mine. He fucking punched me.
Where was he shot?
I saw him on the counter right there. He may have had a chest seal on.
No.
And there's blood right there, so probably right here. But I have no clue.
I was fighting everybody by myself trying to cut his clothes off, and they were all just pulling on me, telling me to help him. And I said, back up, like 6 times. And they literally just kept grabbing me and pulling on me. So I turned around and I swung at one dude, and then he got all mad and started getting my face. So I started fighting him. It's ridiculous. No, you're fine. Are you guys just looking, or are you trying to leave?
Well, no, we're not trying to leave, but we're also trying to, like, if you needed us for whatever reason. But you guys are more than welcome to come in if you want. And,
Yeah, we got so much paperwork to do.
Oh, I understand that, but I mean, you know, I see a lot of people, like, doing whatever. If there's, like, if you guys need drinks or anything, you need water.
Did you guys see anything?
Trust me, they gonna need some drinks. Trust and believe. They gonna need some drinks, man. Preferably alcohol drinks, man. Cause yo, the amount of paperwork they're gonna have to do for this is insane. And it's so many moving parts, which is gonna make it 10 times more complicated. You know, an incident with one person and one person is okay, it's easy, okay? But when other people are involved in a bunch, it just makes the paperwork 10 times worse, man.
I was out back. I didn't see nothing.
Yeah, me and Donnie were out here, and we saw people running.
Hear anything?
Heard what I thought was them knocking on the window, and I'm like, we're knocking on the window. And then we see everybody running. We're like, oh.
Yeah, I was out back in there.
Yeah.
Oh,
What'd you hear? How many shots do you think it was?
I don't know.
I know I heard 3 of what I thought was knocks. Do you know how many shots you thought you heard, Johnny? 3? We got bottles of water in here.
No, I got a whole jug of water.
Well, we got cooks in here too, so if you guys need food, we don't have donuts though.
Oh, yeah, we're out. We won't be inside then. See you guys. Take care.
6
got
people from the
donuts.
crowd were arrested that night with charges including felony aggravated battery on a peace officer, resisting obstructing, felony attempting to disarm a peace officer, and criminal damage to property, as one of them allegedly broke a door handle off a police squad. Using the surveillance footage, police were also able to identify the male who shot the victim as 29-year-old Adrian. He was charged with 2 counts of felony aggravated battery with a firearm and felony unlawful possession of a weapon by a felon. The legal proceedings of his case, as well as the 6 other suspects arrested, are ongoing, and they are all presumed innocent unless proven guilty in a court of law. The victim who was shot was transported to a hospital in critical condition, and latest reporting indicates he survived with major injuries and faces a long and arduous path to recovery. The more than 9 minutes that ambulance and fire crews were blocked from safely accessing the victim may have contributed to the severity of the victim's injuries.